The sands of time have rendered fear. Blue skies on high are no longer clear. Stars were bright in the early years, now dimmed, camouflaged with pollution's cloud. Crystal clear our waters shined. Fish were abundant and rivers streamed clean. Ocean floors were sandy white, now littered with plastic and black deposits. It is known as the pollution's plight. Trees towered high above, trunks bearing professed love, birds chirping from the unseen branches. Now gone, our building contractors join the pollution team. One can't blame pollution alone. Rip out the old roots and cultivate new seedlings. Protect what has been given for free. The air we breathe, our water bodies, skies, trees, and wildlife. For once they are gone, we will be gone too. Do not say you were never warned about that fatal day.